Hello students, question number 5 of exercise 3 is find the value of k for which the given system of equation have infinite solution. You have to find out the value of k if the given system of equation has infinite solution. So here we have a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to k minus 1, b1 equal to 3, b2 equal to k plus 2, c1 equal to 7, c2 is equal to 3k. Since equation have infinite solution, therefore a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So 2 upon k minus 1 is equal to 3 upon k plus 2 is equal to 7 upon 3k. First case, 2 upon k minus 1 is equal to 3 upon k plus 2. By using cross multiplication method, 3k minus 1 is equal to 2k plus 2. 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k plus 4. Transposing 2k to LHS and minus 3 to RHS, 3k minus 2k is equal to 4 plus 3. So k is equal to 7. In second case, two upon k minus 1. At first we have to compare a1 upon a2 with b1 upon b2, then a1 upon a2 with c1 upon c2, because all of them are equals. So 2 upon k minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3k. By using cross multiplication method, 2 into 3k is equal to 7 into k minus 1. 6k is equal to 7k minus 7. Transposing 7k to LHS, 6k minus 7k is equal to minus 7. Minus k is equal to minus 7. Minus minus cancelled. K is equal to 7. In third case, we have compared a1 upon a2 with b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Now we have to compare b1 upon b2 with c1 upon c2. So b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Here you can write a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. Then a1 upon a2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now b1 upon, in third case, b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. b1 upon b2 is 3 upon k plus 2 and c1 upon c2 is equal to 7 upon 3k. By using cross multiplication method, 3 into 3k is equal to 7 into k plus 2. 3 3 is 9k is equal to 7k plus 14. Transposing 7k to LHS, 9k minus 7k is equal to 14. So 2k is equal to 14. K equal to 14 upon 2. 7 jat. K is equal to 7. All three answers are same. That's why the value of k will be 7. Second question is kx plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 5x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have a1 is equal to k, a2 is equal to 5, b1 equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to 6. Since equation has infinite solution, therefore a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So k upon 5 is equal to 2 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 4 upon 6. As we have done in previous question, in first case a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So k upon 5 is equal to 2 upon minus 3. By cross multiplication method, k into minus 3 is equal to 2 into 5. So minus 3k is equal to 10. So k equal to minus 10 by 3. In second case, a1 upon a2 is equal to c1 upon c2. K upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 6. 6k by using cross multiplication method, minus 4 into 5. So k is equal to minus 20 upon 6. 2 3 is 6, 2 10 is 20, minus 10 upon 3. In third case, b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. b1 upon b2 is 2 upon minus 3, but it is not necessary to find out because both have numerical value. b1 upon b2 is equal to 2 upon minus 3 and c1 upon c2 is minus 5%. So stop it. So your answer will be k is equal to minus 10 by 3. सिर्फ वेरिएबल नंबर जो k है जो तो सिर्फ इसमें दिया हुआ था, हम इसका कंपेरिजन दोनों के साथ कर लिए. हमको b1 अपॉन b2 इज इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2 करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज इफ x इक्वल टू 2 y इक्वल टू 4 देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p इन 7x माइनस 4y इक्वल टू p. इक्वेशन इज 7x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू p. x इक्वल टू 2 and y equal to 4. On putting the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 4 in equation, we find 7 into 2 minus 4 into 4 is equal to p. 7 2 जा 14 minus 4 4 जा 16 equal to P. So minus 2 is equal to P. So value of P will be minus 2. Question number 7 is, if the straight line 2x minus ky is equal to 9 passes through 1 1 1 minus 1, then find the value of k. Straight line is equal to is equal to 2x minus ky equal to 9. Coordinates are 1 minus 1. आप जानते हो कि जब हम ये लिखते हैं तो पहला x होता है, दूसरा y होता है. तो ऑन पुटिंग वन at the place of x and minus 1 at the place of y, we have 2x minus ky is equal to 9. 2 1 minus k minus 1 is equal to 9. So 2 minus plus k, because minus k and minus 1 is equal to plus k equal to 9. So k equal to 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So value of k is equal to 7. Question number 8 is, test whether the following system of equation has unique solution, infinite solution or no solution. If it has a unique solution, then find the value of x and y. Equation is 4x plus 7y is equal to 18, 2x plus y equal to 4. आपको इसमें ये बताना है कि जो इक्वेशन दिया है इसमें यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है कि इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन है कि नो सॉल्यूशन है. यदि ये यूनिक सॉल्यूशन का है तो फिर उस सॉल्यूशन को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. तो एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट दीज इक्वेशन इन सिस्टम. पहले हम इसको सिस्टम में लिखेंगे. जो ये आपका 18 इधर है इसको ट्रांसपोज करके इधर लिखेंगे, इसको यहाँ रखेंगे. सो राइटिंग इन सिस्टम इट बिकम्स 4x plus 7y minus 18 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have a1 is equal to 4, a2 equal to 2, b1 equal to 7, b2 equal to 1 because coefficient of y is 1, c1 equal to minus 18, c2 is equal to minus 4. Now we have to check what type of solution is in this equation has. So a1 upon a2 is equal to 4 upon 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, we have 2 upon 1. b1 upon b2 is equal to 7 upon 1. c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 18 upon minus 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, minus minus cancel, 9 upon 2. You will see that here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Therefore equation has a unique solution. Equation has unique solution. So x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 माइनस A2B1, y इक्वल टू C1A2 माइनस C2A1 अपान जो यहाँ पर रहता है वही इसमें भी रहेगा, A1B2 माइनस A2B1. तो एट फर्स्ट वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो x इज इक्वल टू B1 इज 7, C2 इज -4 माइनस B2 इज 1 इंटू C1 इज -18 upon A1 is 4 and B2 is 1 minus A2 is 2 and B1 is 7. Now minus 28 minus -18 upon 4 minus 14 is equal to minus 28 plus 18 upon minus 10. So minus 10 upon minus 10, minus minus cancelled. So x is equal to 1. X equal to 1. Y equal to C1A2 minus C2A1 upon A1B2 minus A2B1. So y equal to C1 is given minus 18 into A2 is given 2 minus C2 is given minus 4 into A1 is given 4 upon A1 B2 आपका 4 इंटू 1 माइनस 2 इंटू 7 माइनस 36 प्लस 16 अपॉन 4 minus 14 is equal to minus 20 upon minus 10, minus minus cancel, 10 to the 20. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2.